I'm Jordan Samuel U15C037. This is my fourth experiment in Java, inheritance. Here I have to write a superclass called shape, which contains two instance variable, color, string data type, and filled with boolean data type, which gives you true or false. And I have to create two constructor, one with no arguments that initializes the color to green and fills it true, and constructor that initializes color and fills the given value. I have to put a getter and setter for all the instance variable. The getter for a boolean variable is called this function instead of get function, and I have two string method that returns a shape with the color of the answer and filled or not filled. Then I have to do a test program to test all the methods defined in shape, and I have to create two subclasses of shape called circle and rectangle. The circle class contains an instance variable radius, which is a double data type, and I have to create another three constructor with one no arguments, initializes the radius to 1, and getter and setter for instance variable radius, and another method get area and get perimeter. I have to override to string method and to return a circle, and I have to return the statement, and show the program. This is the program. Here inside the main function I have created an object ob1 with arguments blue and false, and I have created an object for circle, class circle. 3 and 3 are the arguments there, and for object 3, 2 and 4 are the arguments, and system.out.println and ob1 to string, which converts them to string data type. And inside the class shape I have initialized private color string, private string color, and private boolean filled, and get color returns the color, and set color gets the string value and stores it in C, and here also boolean gets stores in F. And inside the shape function, color is equal to green. When the color is equal to green, filled is equal to true. And here also another constructor, parameterized constructor, where string C and boolean F get stored in C and F respectively. Then public string to string function, string S is equal to a shape of the shape with color of, which is the color entered by the user, and filled is equal to true. It showed and filled, else it showed not filled, and returns the statement. Here for class circle, which is extended by the previous class shape, initialized power double private double data, and inside the get radius, it gets the radius from the user and sets it to R. And here default gets stored default values, radius equal 1.0, and public circle gets the argument of R and stores in R, which is a parameterized constructor. Here this is also a constructor where super.setColor and setFill, which gets inherited from the previous shape class, and the color and fill gets stored here, inherited here. Then get area, I have initialized a variable double of area, and the area is calculated, which is 3.14 into r square, that's the area. And for the perimeter is equal to 2 into 3.14 into radius, which returns the perimeter. And to string also same like that, S is equal to a circle with radius equal to it gets stored in S, and the earlier one gets inherited and returns. And here is another class called rectangle, which is extended from the shape class. Here I have initialized variable width and length, private double of private the modifier double data type. Here I have returned the width, and I have set the width, which is a default constructor, to W, and here also get length, and here also I inherited the color and filled option from the previous class using super keyword. And here to get the area and calculate the area and returns area. the rectangle, and perimeter, it calculates the perimeter of the rectangle and returns the perimeter. It converts into string and prints it out, and inherits the previous class. And same thing for square. So the output, the shape with color of blue and not filled, a circle with radius 3.3, which is a subclass of a shape with color of green and filled, a rectangle with width 2 and length is equal to 4, which is the subclass of a shape with color of green and filled. Thank you.